Hello, hello. For those who don't know who I am, my name's Nicole Cheney, coming live at you from Ontario, Canada. Okay, I'm going to try and move your angle just a little bit so you can kind of see what I'm doing. Okay. All right. So this is literally going to be like the coolest little cooking hack you will have come across in a very long time. I promise you, this is really cool. Okay. So I do this so I can get my instant spices and cooking oils all in one little hack here. Okay. This is what I do because I have a very busy lifestyle. So this is how I set up my spices and everything. Okay. So I have an ice cube tray. All right. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put different spices that I like in this ice cube tray. Okay. And then I'm going to show you, I know, ice cube tray. What is she doing? Right? Okay. So I have different spices here. Y'all know I love Italian spice. So we're going to put Italian spice in this ice cube tray. As I'm doing this, when you pop on, if you're watching the live, you can drop me a 1. If you're watching the replay, you can drop me a 2. And if you're new to my crazy show, you can put new in the comments. Hey girl, how's it going? Thanks for popping on. So I'm putting literally like a scoop of spices into the one side of the ice cube tray, okay? One side of the ice cube tray. I'm going to kind of angle you guys down so you can see, okay? There is spices on one side, okay? Then on my other side, I'm actually going to put like another mixture. And it's going to be parsley, onion powder, and garlic powder, okay? Oh, thanks for sharing. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Okay, so I'm going to start with the garlic powder, okay? I'm just going to put a little bit in each one, okay? A little bit in each one, okay? Stay with me. It's going to be good. You're going to be like, what? Mind blown. Okay. So how's everyone's day going? It's like cold again here and rainy again. Like seriously, if we get any more rain, like we're gonna drown soon, okay? I don't know about you guys, but it's like been like crazy amount. Hey Casey, how's it going? Thank you for popping on. I appreciate it. Okay, so now I'm putting some onion powder in. Okay. And you'll see like literally how easy this is to do, okay? Because I'm just talking to you guys while I'm putting spices in an ice cube tray. And you're probably thinking I'm crazy, going, why are you doing it in an ice cube tray? But you'll see. And then I'm going to put some parsley flakes in the other side as well, okay? So on one side I have the mixture of Italian spice that you can get at any spice store. And then the other side I have parsley, onion powder, and garlic powder, okay? The Italian spice is what I use for my stir fries. Hey Sarah, how's it going? Is what I use for my stir fries, okay? The parsley, garlic, and onion is what I use for my pastas, okay? All right, so one side, I'm going to try and angle it down. There we go. So one side is the onion powder, garlic powder, and parsley flakes. And then this is the Italian spice mix, okay? Now, I melted some butter here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour it in the ice cube tray, okay? So I'm going to pour it in the little containers. Do. And there we go. Okay, so I have butter on one side, and then I'm going to put olive oil on the other side, okay? And then what you do the freezer, okay? And then you take it out when it's frozen, and you use 1 cube whenever you cook. And it heats up, it melts, and you have your oils and your spices already pre-mixed, already pre-made, and you just pop it in and go and you cook, which is really cool, really cool. So I'm showing you this is my new haul of making it. This is my new haul of making it. So I don't have any made to show you. I will take pictures of it when they're frozen. But literally, so you can see the inside. It's just the olive oil, the butter. You put it in the freezer. They freeze. And when you cook in the pan, you put it in. And you have your spices and your oils already pre-made. Isn't that cool? Isn't that really cool? It's like the coolest thing ever. When they're done and they're frozen, I will take a picture and put it in the comments, as I always do with my videos, so you can see the end result. But it's really cool, okay? Because the stuff freezes, okay? And the coolest thing ever is you can do this with sauces, like salsas too. So if you like make homemade Alfredo sauce or homemade spaghetti sauce, you can actually put it in ice cube trays like this, and then pop your ice cube in whenever you're cooking your meal. So it's already pre-made and everything. It's just a day of getting it all ready for the week, and you just plop it in. Really cool, eh? So if you found value in this, please feel free to share. I hope you guys have a fantastic day. I appreciate you guys watching me. I do. You guys are taking the time out, and I really do appreciate it. So thank you so much, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys. Tomorrow's our money video, by the way. Our money video. So who's excited about that? Bye, guys.